Now we are going to insert the second equation. So x minus 3y plus 7z equals 0. And since we want the x's to cancel out, we must multiply the second equation by -2, so it's negative 2x, which cancels out with 2x. But remember, we have to apply -2 to everything that is in this. So we're just going to come down. I'm going to use another new color so you can see what's going on. We're going to do, we have to bring down the first equation also. Let's not forget that. So we're going to do a line right here. We're going to do 2x minus 10y plus 3z equals -20. And then we're going to apply -2 to x and everything else in this. So we're going to do -2x plus 6y minus 14z equals 0. Because of course 0 times -2 will always be 0. And what this will give you, the answer will be -4y minus 11z equals -20. So now our x is gone. Now, make sure that everyone understands this. And we're going to move on to the next, because we have to cancel out x in two of the equations. So this is new equation number 1. 1. Right there. Okay. Can I scroll down? Or should I just erase everything?
Can you
I can erase
here.
let's see. All right. Now we're going to change to blue as to not get confused, even though we have all these squiggles, so it's impossible. So, x minus 3y, we're going to take this from the second equation, equation number 2. X minus x minus 3y I'm going to have to recalibrate because sometimes just these things happen. What are you going to do? Okay, so x minus 3y, as I've said before, plus 7z equals 0. And then x minus 5y plus 12 equals 7. Oh, plus, not 12 class, not 12, it is just z, plus z equals -10. And now we're going to multiply using the red. So we're going to have to multiply both of these. And we're just going to multiply them by 2 and -2. So 2, -2. Okay. All right. So what we're going to get is 2x minus 6y minus 6y plus 14z equals 0, because again, 0 times anything is 0, and -2x plus 10y minus 2z equals 20. Now we've got to find the answer to this, which would be 4y plus 12z equals 20. It equals 20. Okay, so this would be equation number 2. Now I'm going to hand this over to my colleague, Monica. She's going to take you on to step 3. I have to recalibrate it. I guess I might want to recalibrate it again.
Alright, continuing on from Sarah, we are going to write our first equation and second equation once again. One moment.
Then we put the two new equations together.
So our two new equations are, where did our pumpkins go? Scroll up. Oh. Okay, so our two new equations are -4y minus 11z equals -20. That's equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 4y plus 12z equals 20. To find our first value, we must combine the first and second equations. Since the x and y are already set up, we'll just cancel those out already. So then it comes out to 1z equals 0. So then z equals 0. we need to plug z back into one of our first new equations. Not the original, but our new equations. I'm going to choose the first one, which is this one. So plugging it back in is negative 4y minus 11 times 0 equals 20. So then it becomes negative 4y minus 0 equals 20. Or plus 0, whatever. So you just minus 0. So then it would come out to 4y equals negative 20, which would then be y equals 5. You put y equals 5 and z equals 0 into one of your beginning equations. Not one of the new equations, but one of the beginning ones.
Monica, would it be negative 5?
Would it be? That would be negative. You're
What?
dividing by two negatives.
Oh, you didn't put negative 4 then.
Oh. Sorry, I forgot negative 4. It's negative, not positive. So putting z and y back into the original equation, I'm going to choose 2x. I'm going to choose 2x minus 10y plus 3z equals negative 20. So it is 2x minus 10 implementing y and x, so it would be 3, 0, something in a slant, equals negative 20. Continuing from there, you get 2x minus 50 plus 0 equals negative 20. So then you add 50. So you get 30 equals x 2x. You divide by 2. X equals 15. Now I'm going to hand it over to one of my colleagues, Maggie, and she'll finish it up for you.